State the number of vertices, edges and faces for each of the following solids. Show that they satisfy F plus V equals E plus 2. So let's start with the hexagonal prism. So if we look at the vertices, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then there's 6 at the other end. So that's 12. For the edges, we've got 6 on this face, 6 on the other face at the other end, and then we've got 6 going around the shape. So altogether, that's 18. And faces, I've got 1 at each end, and then you've got 6 rectangles going around. So that's 8. Now let's look at the trapezoidal prism. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vertices. Edges, there's 4 on this end, 4 on the other end, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 around the shape. So that's a total of 12. And the faces, we've got 1 at each end and then 4 going around. So that's 6. And the square-based pyramid, vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Edges, I've got 4 on the base and 4 going up. So that's 8. And the faces, there's the base and then 4 triangles going around. So that's 5. So let's look at the F plus V equals E plus 2. Let's start with the hexagonal prism. So that's going to be 8 plus 12. And that's 20, and on the other side we have 18 plus 2, and that is correct. Trapezoidal prism, we have 6 faces and 8 vertices, so 6 plus 8, which is 14, and over here we'd have 12 plus 2, so that works. And then the square pyramid, we've got 5 plus 5, and then we have 8 plus 2. So that works as well.